Okay, we're going to press Command Space to open Spotlight and start terminal. Then we're going to run Python space -- version in terminal, and that'll tell us which Python version we've got. You want to see 3.8.3 at least in there. If it's below that, like here, 2.7.15, we need to do a Miniconda install. In your browser, you're going to go to http:// the links up on this page, and that's going to show us the versions of Miniconda that were available. The one we specifically want is for Python 3.8. And we want the PKG version for Mac OS X. So we click that, we allow download, and there it goes. Just a couple of seconds, that will come through, and then we just open a file, double click it, and we continue through the copyright notices. Of course, you agree to the terms and conditions. Now, here you need to make sure you can click continue. I had to click on install on specific disk and then flip back to install for me only, and then it works. That's going to install it in my home directory, so it won't affect other users on this Mac. You may be asked to grant the installer permission to access files. That's okay. We just go through that and click close, and then we bin it. It's no use to us anymore. Okay, so now we've got Anaconda, or at least Miniconda installed. So we're going to open terminal. Here I'm doing it through Spotlight. So there's our old terminal window. We're just going to drag a new one out here. And then we're just going to type in Python space -- version. If that says 3.8.3, then it's all gone fine. Well done.